Alright guys, today I am doing a review of, this is a vegan mac vegan mac, so it's a dairy-free chickpea, it's sort of like a macaroni and cheese. So as you can see, it's got lentil pasta and a creamy sweet potato and pumpkin sauce. Check that out, gluten-free. This is the directions there. Here's the back. If you guys want to read this, pause the video. And if you can see that has organic chickpeas, lentil pasta, you got the vegan seasoning, and it's got some cauliflower in there, some sea salt. So I'm actually looking forward to trying this out. So I got this at the health section in the local grocery store, and if you look, also 17 grams of protein. So let's cook. I'm gonna open this up. Okay, so I got the box open. Check this out. This is what you get inside. It's a little dark. You see it right there. There's the macaroni. If you guys want to take a look at, that's what the macaroni looks like. And this is the sauce packet that comes with it. Alright guys, so I'm going to cook it up. I'll be right back and I'll do a quick taste test for you. Okay guys, here is the chickpea vegan mac. Chickpea lentil vegan mac and cheese. So take a look at, get a good look at this. I'm going to do a quick taste of it right now. I just finished cooking it. It has a weird odor. It's like it's not an odor, it's more like a aroma. It smells like, I can't put my finger on it. It's like it's almost like a nutty smell to it. So okay, so it is a pumpkin sauce. You can totally taste the pumpkin. So I guess the smell is more of a pumpkin smell. And is it horrible? No. Does it taste like mac and cheese? Not really, but it's pretty close. It's, just think of it like a sweet potato, more pumpkin taste. That's pretty much what it tastes like, guys. So it's not really salty. It's not overly salty. It's got a kind of a sweet taste to it. Other than that, it's pretty good. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, post them below. Subscribe to the channel.